the DJ I was most looking forward to having today was DJ Foster. He killed his set.
Foster! I love Foster! You see, I love Foster, but I see that Slicko is around the building. I'm looking forward to see Slicko.
Kid Funk and Julian so good, girl. We bumping into white peoples. That's the type of parties we had, you know.
No question on which DJ. It was Kid Funk and Julian Gomez. That was it.
I was looking forward most of the back-to-back of Julian.
That was the highlight for me as well.
I was really looking forward to listening to Heinrich Schwartz, all the way from Berlin, Germany.
So deep! Oh, wow. But you know how it is with house, you know. I just ruined my whole bumping into white people statement, you know. If I could stream, there's a couple of DJs I would stream, yeah?
The DJ I would stream live for 24 hours. It would have to be DJ Black Coffee.
It will be DJ Tira, because you know they've got the style, they've got the swag, they've got everything that we need in South Africa. You know, Big Nas, one thing, the debit, finesse.
But I tell you what, I'm already streaming. I stream a lot of the beats by Dre.
Stay True dance. You wanna see my Stay True dance move?
Oh, my Stay True dance.
My Stay True dance is probably just a little jam at the front like this. You know, when you can see everything.